Okay, children, so how are you? Enjoyed your Uttarayan, everybody? Now we are starting a new chapter, conjunctions, okay? Chapter 19, page number 150. Open your grammar, all of you. Huh? Conjunctions are joining words. They are used to join words, groups of words, phrases, and sentences. Ridhima bought a dress and a pair of shoes. Okay? So, would you like to carry an umbrella or would you carry a raincoat? Dhruv cannot go out because the gate is locked. Here and or because are conjunctions. Now, kinds of conjunctions. See, coordinating, correlating, subordinating. Okay? In coordinating, there are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. In correlative, as, both and, either or, neither nor, only, not only, but also, such that, such as, so that, so as, and whether or. Okay? In subordinating, they will be after, although, because, before, how, if, once, since, then, that, though, till, until, when, where, and whether. Now, coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating are they join together sentences or clauses. Okay, words or groups of words that are equally important. Both are equally same importance. Okay, you can go there by bus or take the flight. Megha is not available on Friday, nor she will be in town during the weekend. Now, coordinating conjunctions include and, but, or, nor, neither, for, yet, still, so, and so on. They are used to add one statement or fact to another. Coordinating conjunctions of addition and both, and as well as, no less than, not only. These all children you will have to learn. Then only you will know how to join the sentences and phrases, clauses, okay? But also are used as coordinating conjunctions of addition. And the bus arrived and the students got into it. Okay, the bus arrived, the students got into it. It was cloudy and it started to rain. So it was cloudy, it started to rain. He is both fit and active. He is fit, he is active. Nidhi gave me both the bangles and hair clips. Nidhi gave me bangles, Nidhi gave me hair clips. He is no less brighter than his sister. His sister is bright, he is equally bright. She is no less attached to her grandmother than to her aunt. That means she is attached to her aunt and she is equally attached to her grandmother. Ramesh as well as Soman is hardworking. Ramesh is hardworking, Soman is hardworking. Sarita as well as Geeta has left for school. Sarita has left for school, Geeta has left for school. He not only brought toys but also balloons. He brought toys, he brought balloons. The car not only had a flat tire but also ran out of fuel. That means the car had a flat tire, the car ran out of fuel. Now these are all your conjunctions of addition. Now coordinating conjunctions of contrast. The power cut lasted 2 hours but we could study in candlelight. The power cut lasted 2 hours, we could study in candlelight. These two sentences are joined by but. Ria has all kinds of dolls available in the market. Still, yet she wants more. Ria has all kinds of dolls available in the market and she wants more. Okay? We knew our team would lose. Nevertheless, we continued to cheer the team members. We knew our team would lose. We continued to cheer the team members. Mona prefers coffee, whereas her sister prefers tea. That means Mona prefers coffee, her sister prefers tea. I am fine, only a little tense. I am fine, I am a little tense. Now, coordinating conjunctions of choice. They express a choice between two options. Or, you must tell the truth or you will be in great trouble. Now, two sentences are, you must tell the truth, you will be in great trouble. You must concentrate on the lesson or you will not be able to understand it. Mother will either prepare noodles or pasta. Mother will prepare noodles, mother will prepare pasta. We can either go for a swim or play basketball. These two sentences are, we can go for swim, we can play basketball. Now, neither nor. He is neither alert nor careful. That means he is not alert, he is not careful. Neelam is neither a good dancer nor a good singer. Neelam is not a good dancer, Neelam is not a good singer. Get up, otherwise you will be late for college. Get up, you will be late for college. Run fast, else you will not catch the bus. Run fast, you will not catch the bus. Page 152. Okay? Yeah. Coordinating conjunctions of reasoning. They will show you reason from one sentence, the other will be a fact. See, he did not put in an application, so he was not called for the interview. He did not put in an application, therefore he was not called for the interview. He worked with dedication so he could do well in his exam. He worked with dedication, therefore he could do well in his exams. Let me take the medicine, for I have fever. Let her leave now, for she has to travel a long distance. Now these conjunctions, this exercise I will do for you. Now correlative conjunctions, they are used in pairs and they are called correlative conjunctions. They are used for joining either words or sentences. They appear as pairs and are used to link equivalent sentences. Equivalent means of same value. Example, so that the tsunami was so powerful that it destroyed the entire city. Either you complete the project by tomorrow or you leave the job. No sooner did the bell ring than the teacher came to the class. No sooner did I open my umbrella than it started raining. Now, although she is very famous, yet she is humble. Although she is not well off, yet she helps the needy. Now, correlative conjunctions include as, both, and, either or, neither nor, not only, but also, such that, such as, so that, whether or, and so as. Okay, examples, both and. Divya is both a dancer and a singer. Divya is a dancer, she is a singer. Not only but also. He was given not only a trophy but also a cash prize. He was given a trophy, he was given a cash prize. Now either or. Either listen to my lectures or leave the class. Listen to my lectures, leave the class. Okay children, here I am completing from page 153 next period. Bye everybody.